security and car or van features. What we're going to talk today is about the deadlock. Deadlock is a system on a central locking that many of the vehicles on the market today, they might have it, but probably not many of our drivers are aware of this. Basically, the deadlock is a second two-stage locking system, and what this will do will make the vehicle more difficult to be unlocked from inside or even from outside, as it usually happens, unfortunately, by accessing the lock. So just to give you an idea how you can find out if your car has double lock, has deadlock, you lock the vehicle once, and then in a very short space of time you press the vehicle one more time or twice, and then you'll notice another clicking noise, and that will be an indication that the vehicle has deadlock. Just going to show you how this will work. So we are going to show you the difference between normal lock and deadlock. So we are going to lock the latch. We operate the locking button. Now by operating the unlocking button inside the car, we can open the door. We're now going to operate the locking button twice. As you can be heard, another clicking sound is heard second time. So now the car is in deadlock. So even when we try to operate the unlocking button inside the car, the vehicle won't be unlocked, and this will provide more security to the lock to be opened from the inside and also the outside. It's definitely a feature that is worth checking on your vehicle if it's available, and try to be used every time when you're locking your van. So it'll only be activated for security reason by a double lock of the double press of the locking button. So do check, it might be a very useful feature to use it. And don't forget car key solutions for any car keys and immobilizer issue. Do give us a call if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.